Alright, so today we're going to be unboxing the Battle League deck Inteleon VMAX. Yeah, and let's get to it. It's level 2. It comes with a variety of things. As you can see, it comes with 2 Inteleon VMAXs, 2 Inteleon V, and a bunch of other good cards. I want to see what's in here. I like opening these. People don't like opening these. I don't know why, but if you're a Pokemon creator and you unbox Pokemon stuff, I would suggest you open every product that Pokemon made for Pokemon cards. So yeah, let's get into this unboxing. So this came out last Friday. It comes with the, and this is what's in the box. There's nothing else except the silver thing. Clear plastic stuff. Alright, so we get, ooh, wait, this looks fancy. Ooh, I'm actually excited now. That looks very fancy. But at the same time, I don't know. Looks very cheap too. So of course the cards come in like this. So we'll showcase the cards first, and we'll lower this down a bit. So what we get is Inteleon V, Inteleon VMAX, Inteleon VMAX, and Inteleon V. I hope they release the other starters. That'd be pretty nice. Very good condition cards, very well centered. Kind of warped a little bit, but not too much. It'll straighten out over time. And these are from Rebels Clash. They're not their own subset. There you go. We have that. We have the code card as well. We have the little booklet that explains more about this. Upgrade your League Battle deck. You see you can add cards to it. So basically it gives you like a little pre-built deck. I like that. We have the regular pamphlet you usually get. These dice look amazing. I like collecting Pokemon dice. Made in China, of course. 7 dice. So my problem is, you think these look good or worse? They're made out of the material we get from Pokemon coins. And I'll showcase you guys one from the EBTs. ETBs. If I can find one. Okay, let's see. Here you go. And for the ETB ones, we get these like acrylic ones. So let me know in the comments or something which one is better, the ones that you get in the ETBs or these new ones that are made out of the same material as the Pokemon coins, as you get in blisters and stuff, and I feel like they just rub off. So yeah, you get these cool little coins over here. They look very cool. Very shiny. I thought they'd be a better material, but not bad. Also, I've never seen coins that look anything else like a different color besides black. So that's cool. We get that. We get this deck box. Nothing fancy. It's just generic Photoshop the Inteleon art behind it. And I'm putting these cards in my binder that I got. I ordered a new binder for my hyper rares and stuff. And all my rare V cards. So what we got? Water Energy, Great Ball, Marini, that's the waifu, Sobble, Air Balloon, Professor's Research, Boss's Orders, Drizzle, Snom, Water Energy, Quick Ball, Copernicus Bucket, Galarian Zigzagoon, Inteleon, Quick Ball, Scoop Up, Bird Keeper, Water Energy, Great Ball, Frostmoth, Evolution's Incest, Boss Orders, Snom, Suicune. We got a Suicune. What set is this guy from? I think it's from Battle Styles or Darkness Ablaze. I can't tell. Professor's Research, Training Court, Marini, Sobble, Air Balloon, Quick Ball, Water, Drizzle, Bird Keeper, Ordinary Rod, Scoop Up Net, Great Ball, Evolutions Insets, Water Energy, Copernicus Bucket, Galarian Zigzagoon, Professor's Research, Inteleon, Quick Ball, Water Energy, Sobble, Air Balloon, Marnie, Frostmoth, Boss's Orders, Professor's Research, Snom, Water Energy, and Great Ball. That's what you get in this mini cool battle deck. This is like $30, I think. So very nice. Yeah, it came out last Friday. I don't know what Friday that is, but it was in May. Yeah. There you have it. That's the contents of everything here. Next up, we'll just unbox something else. That's the contents of it, except this. This is not in it. You get these, which is cool. I didn't expect to get those, man. We're going to open up some battle styles, searching for that Tyranitar. I'm going to have to keep buying this until I get that Tyranitar. I also have one more pack. I have some packs of battle styles I got to open up, but that's for like a separate video. It's like 40. Yeah, hopefully we get him, though. See, I can open this up. Okay, ripped it up. Let's go. Also, lately I've been watching a lot of Harry Potter. So, I feel like that's problematic. I don't know why. Man, this smells... Hold up. It smells musty. I don't know. If you guys could smell that, you wouldn't like that smell. It smells very musty. It doesn't smell factory new. Not smelling good. Yeah, it smells very musty. Anyway, we got it. This is 8 packs. Yes, we got 3 Tyranitar packs. This is a sign. We're going to get that Tyranitar today. Hopefully. I pray. Also have another blister I got to open up too, because I don't plan on opening that up in a single video. Yes, sir. Let's get this money. Looking for that card. I need it. Steel Energy, Single Strike Energy, Camping Gear, Seadra, Galarian Mr. Mime, Bellsprout, Onyx, Sparrow, Caesarpleed, Tapu Bulu Reverse, Slowbro, Galarian. Nothing good there. I think my Amazon package just arrived. White code card. Let's see. Metal Energy, Bruno, Charcoal, Big Knight, Bronzor, Cacnea, Spoink, Roly-Coly, Frillish, Scroll of Scorn, and Empoleon V. I think I've pulled this card a lot. Oh, I think this is my second time. I pulled so many holos, though. People still say this set has trash pull rates. I low-key doubt it. Because, I mean, it doesn't have trash pull rates. You just get more holos than anything, really. Water Energy, Tool Jammer, Ruckish, Buffalon, Minfu, Silicobra, Galarian Mr. Mime, Mankey, Bellsprout, Heatmore Reverse, and a Salazzle regular rare. So we got one hit, halfway done, this ETB. We have another chance to redeem ourselves. I heard those 3-pack blister packs have good luck in them. I don't know if that's true. Scuba, Mustard, Golbat, Honedge, Electabuzz, Baltoy, Gligar, Salandit, Girder, and a Fannekins. I don't know how to say his name, bro. Non-holo. See. You know what's going to be crazy? That Battle Styles is going to be worth a lot of money down the line After everyone just bashes this set for being trash. Pignite, Level Ball, Morpeko, Fomantis, Sparrow, Remoraid, Pachirisu, Cherubu, Indini Reverse, and a Flapple VMAX. I don't think I have this Flapple VMAX. Hey, we got a new card to the collection. So we have 3 packs left. No holos so far. Does that mean I'm still able to get the Tyranitar? Watch me get a holo in this. I mean, we got a VMAX and a V card, which isn't bad. Pharaoh, Escape Rope, Luxio, Gorefish, Scatterbug, Cubone, Murkrow, Tepig, Vivillon, and Drampa regular rare. I might just buy more Inteleon boxes. They actually look cool. Fighting Energy, Expeshare, Charcoal, Dottler, Houndour, Lickitung, Mankey, Mawile, Galarian Slowpoke. Hey, we got the best holo in this set, I think, in my opinion. I think this is the best holo. We have an Entei holo. Ooh. Last pack. Last pack magic. This pack looks opened already. And you can see I just broke the seal on. Is everything here? Yeah, everything is there. Fire Energy, Rapid Strike Energy, Phoebe, I have 3 of her, Heatmore, Salandit, Bellsprout, Minfu, Yamper, Glameow, Octillery Reverse, and a Marwalk regular rare. But we have one more chance to redeem ourselves. I'll be right back. I gotta find it. If I find it, then we open it. If I don't, then we don't open it, I guess. Let me see. I don't think I have. Ooh. Okay, took me a while to get it, but it was underneath my bed. Alright. 3-pack Battle Styles Blister. We get a Rayquaza coin and a Jolteon holo. Ooh, man. Took me a while to get. These packs look terrible. Sealed in there. Like, yikes. Hopefully there's nothing good in those that get terribly damaged. Gotta love the Pokemon Company sometimes when it comes to their sealed stuff. Here we have the beautiful Rayquaza coin. The Jolteon promo card. Ooh, 3 battle styles. I'm going to start with my least favorite. Art, and moving downwards to Tyranitar. One of those Tyranitar and Inteleon tins released because I really want them. I'm a huge Tyranitar fan. No cap. Big Tyranitar fan. Water Energy, Seadra, fan of waves. Doublade, Mawile, Fomantis, Remoraid, Sparrow, Pachirisu, Yamper, and Victory Bell. Non-holo. Alright. Empoleon. What we get off of Inteleon? I really hope these blisters are good luck. Girder, Durant, Camping Gear, Cubone, Murkrow, Tepig, Honage, Electabuzz, Durant, and Marowak regular rare. Yo, imagine in the future when Vivid Voltage is out of rotation and people are like opening the setup and they're like, oh my god, amazing rare, worth a lot of money. I remember when amazing rares were worth like a couple bucks. It was crazy and then now they're worth like $8 or so. But I remember when they were pretty expensive. Rapid Strike Energy, Phoebe, Heat More, Blipblug, Roly-Coly, Chimecho, Onyx, Sizzlipede, Aegislash Reverse, and Electrive Regular Rare. So, that's it for this unboxing video. All we got was Flapple VMAX, a holo, and a V card. They're in here. The Jolteon, we didn't get anything good. But overall, I'm pretty satisfied with what I got. I'm pretty happy with the cool Inteleon V cards I got in the corner right there. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, bye.